Today's mini session is going to help you increase your blood flow and renew and restore your energy. If this is the middle of your workday or you've been sitting at a desk for a very long time, you'll be standing up, getting the blood flowing, getting things moving and restoring, renewing your energy, kind of letting go some of that stress and anxiety that you may be experiencing from your work. So let's begin this mindful movement practice today standing. We'll be moving through 8 exercises today. Let's start with gentle breathing. Put your hands on your belly here, close your eyes, start to breathe in through the nose. Keep the neck and shoulders relaxed as you breathe in, and then breathe out through the mouth, nice and slow. Breathe in through the nose, feel an expansion in the rib cage, and breathe out through the mouth. This helps to calm us down, to ground us to the present moment. A couple more breaths like this. Breathe in through the nose, expand 360-degree stretch, then breathe out of the mouth. Feel everything hug in towards the midline. Last time, breathe in and breathe out. Our first exercise will be energy cleansing. So you'll grab your fist, tighten up the fist, make a ball, and then exhale. It's like you're throwing it away. You'll inhale through the nose, exhale out of the mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep that going. Keep that going. This is a Qigong movement. It's a nice mindful movement, especially if you've been feeling any stress or anxiety. I want you to think about balling up that energy and then just letting it go. Maybe you've had a long week, maybe you've had a few frustrating things go on in your workday, and you need this moment to release, cleanse the energy, and maybe pick up something that's going to serve you, a new energy. Maybe there's been a mindset, or there's been some energy that's stuck to you that you no longer want to have. And so you can, in this moment, as you exhale, really feel like you're letting it go, you're releasing it. And we'll do 10 more like this. This is getting the blood flow coming into your heart and your lungs, getting that circulation moving in the upper neck, where we sometimes get really stiff. Okay, just a couple more. Start to slow it down. Beautiful. And then find stillness. This is mountain pose in yoga. I'm gonna go ahead and take my shoes off. You can do the same if you're able to. You don't have to. If you need to pause to take your shoes off, that's fine. Knees are soft. Go back to the inhale, 360 degrees, and the exhale can be out of the nose now. We're moving into a standing side bend. So I'm going to get on my knees so you can see what this looks like. You're gonna stay standing. Inhale, reach up, grab opposite elbows, then bend to one side, come back to center, lower your arms down, and then inhale up. Exhale as you bend to the opposite side, you're grabbing your elbows, come back to center, repeat. So it's an inhale up, side bend, exhale, arms down, inhale, arms up, exhale, side bend, inhale, back to center, exhale, arms down. 4 breaths, inhale, arms up. Exhale, side bend, inhale, center, exhale, arms down, inhale, arms up, exhale, side bend, nice and slow, inhale, center, exhale, arms down, inhale, arms up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. From here, I want you to go into a gentle spinal rotation. Legs are about hip distance apart now. Your arms are really heavy and floppy. Think about being a kid when you were younger and you twist like this, you just fling your arms. Now you can get a little more aggressive with this, or you can be more gentle If you do it a little quicker and faster, you'll feel that that's going to stimulate the body. If you're slower, it's going to feel more nourishing to the nervous system. So you determine what speed is going to be best for you. And we're just nice and easy here, getting a nice gentle spinal rotation. Feels like traction because we do it really rhythmic, really dynamic. And your knees are soft. You can start to allow your hips to sway too if that feels good. Get real relaxed and just twist here. This is one of those times if your coworker walks in on you and sees you doing this, I don't know, maybe they're a not very judgmental coworker and they'd be cool with it. Maybe they'll join you, have them join you. So we're just twisting here. Some people like to close their eyes. I will do this twist quite frequently. Some of you that know me know that I've had back surgery. I've had back problems since I was in my early teens. And this spinal twist has been so therapeutic. I do it 3 to 4 times a week, and I'll hang out here for 3 or 5 minutes. So it's very nice to get this gentle rotation. My mouth is closed and I'm breathing through my nose. I'm gonna have you stay here for about 20 more seconds. Just keep going, twisting, breathing, maybe smiling. It's nice if you've been sitting all day to get the blood flowing. And our spine likes to twist, especially when you're not having load, so you don't have a lot of resistance that you're carrying, but it's more of a free-flowing, fun twist. That's what I want you to experience here. And slowly start to slow it down. So you want to unwind out of this twist. You don't want to come out abruptly. You want to start to unwind to stillness, make your way there, and then stop. Close the eyes, palms are facing out. This is a Tadasana pose, it's mountain pose in yoga. I just want you to observe that even though your body is still, the energy that you've created inside is moving around. This is really good. So connect with that energy. We're moving into bent arm shoulder circles. So touch your fingers to the front of your shoulders and start to draw circles with your elbows. We'll start in one direction. It doesn't matter what direction you start in because we're going to go in both directions. What I like here is to keep my mouth closed and just breathe in for about 4 seconds and breathe out for 4 seconds. So that means that my breath is going to be slower than the movement itself, and start to feel that blood flowing coming up into your neck. When we are on computers all day, our shoulders start to rise up. When we're on the phone all day, when we're even doing meetings, we tend to hold a lot of tension in our shoulders, keep them relaxed. And our shoulder is a ball and socket joint, so we want it to move around in a circular pattern. So it's really good for the shoulders to get that nice circular rotation. So whatever direction you're going, I want you to switch directions now. Go easy at first, take your time. Breathing nice and steady, bring that smile to your face. I love these shoulder circles. I hope you love them too. Comment in the comments. Let me know if you like this one. This is a oldie but a goodie I've been doing for years. I started teaching in 2005. I'm a wellness coach. I also teach communications and mindfulness. So if you're looking for a private coach, I'm here to help. I work with people all over the world, which is super cool. All right, let's move into standing cat-cow. I want your legs a little wider apart, feet are flat. You're going to bend down, not super deep. Bring your fingertips facing towards the ground. So you have your hands resting above your knees, fingertips facing towards the ground. Here we're just gonna arch, inhale. Exhale, round, kind of tuck your tail in, look towards your belly. And repeat, inhale, arch, through the nose, exhale, round. You'll notice when you exhale, the belly kind of naturally pulls in. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. Keep your feet relaxed. Inhale, arch, but press through the feet equally with the weight of your body. Exhale, round. I want you to continue. You can go faster if you need more energy and you're starting to feel tired. Throughout the day, you can do this faster, or you can go slower if you're looking to down-regulate and calm the nervous system. Continue arching and rounding. Arches are going to stimulate, rounds are going to down-regulate, so we get a little bit of both in this movement. Think about that balanced breath, inhaling for about 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds. If you're slower, if you're faster, you can do this out of the inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you can kind of speed that breath up and speed the movement up, depending on what you're looking for today. Let's do 4 more, wherever you're at, arching and rounding the spine, getting that circulation going. And then from here, if you're at a desk or you have a chair nearby, go ahead and grab it for balance. We're going to move into hip circles, right and left. I want you to lift your knee up, bring it around like you're pushing the heel towards the back, and then come forward. So we're just going around, making a circle. Sometimes I put my hand on my glutes here because I want to activate the glutes to move this leg around. And I don't want it to all be about the hip. I want there to be some activation in the butt. So if you sit a lot for your desk job, this is good to activate the glutes, squeeze them. You're gonna go circles in one direction and then circles in the opposite direction. Breathe while you're doing this. This is a standing balance, so you can play around and maybe take your hand away if you'd like. If you're doing this in high heels, more power to you. Might not want to pull your hand away from your desk or chair. All right, so that's about even. Let's move on to the opposite side. I'm going to move my chair over. Place your hand down. Lift that knee up first. Bring it out and back. I have my foot flexed. You can do that too. And I just want you to explore your range of motion. Breathe easy. Never force in these stretching movements, these mobility movements. Just find a good range of motion for you today. And the more you do it, the better and easier it gets. The easier it is to activate that glute muscle, squeezing the butt. I like to keep my mouth closed when I'm not talking and breathe through the nose. Let's switch directions. This side feels a little more difficult, so I'm going to decrease my range of motion today. I don't have to push it. It doesn't have to look exactly like the other side because we're different from right and left, and that's okay. We strive to have muscular balance, but we're asymmetrical, so we won't always have it. All right, we're going to do one more. You're doing great. So I have just a couple more exercises for you today. The next one you could do sitting down if you needed a little bit of a break. I'm going to have my legs hip distance apart, maybe a little wider. Place my hands on my hips, nice and easy. Drop the chin down to the chest and rotate the neck side to side. You can close your eyes. Go back to your gentle breathing. When I'm here, I often find some kind of a tight spot. So when I find that tight spot, I'm gonna hold it and I might change the angle of my chin, maybe tilting it up towards the sky a little bit. Just playing around with that stretch. Again, never forcing, being very gentle with the neck. Side to side. Breathing out of the nose. This is your time away from the desk, getting your nice break in. And let's do 2 more to each side. Almost done. And finishing our class today, we're going to do an energy cleanse, another movement from Qigong. It's Tai Chi style. You're going to interlace your hands together. It'll be like this. Okay, so I'm going to press away on the exhale, and then on the inhale, I'm going to lift my arms up over my head. Can't quite see them, but the palms will face down towards the top of your head. When you do that, rise up on your toes if you're able to. That's your inhale. Exhale, press away, out of the mouth, exhale. Inhale, arms go up, toes, You come up on your toes on that inhale. Exhale, press away. Inhale up. Exhale, press away the energy that no longer serves you. Inhale, renewed vitality. Exhale, press away anything that's not serving you today. Inhale, draw in renewed strength, renewed energy for your day. Exhale, press away. Inhale, restore peace, restore balance. Exhale, press away. Inhale. So what do you want to receive and what do you want to release? Starting to match that mental mindfulness training with this movement. This makes a mindful movement. Exhale, press away, let go. Inhale. What would you like to put on? What would you like to receive? Just do 4 more like this. Maybe close your eyes. Exhale, press away. Inhale, draw in, draw up. 3 more. Exhale, press away, let go. Inhale, draw in that energy, that strength. Last 2. Exhale. Inhale. Last 1. Exhale. Inhale. And float the arms down, float the feet down. Palms wrap around, palms face out, close your eyes. Notice, although there's stillness, there's a lot of new energy in the body. Just final moment here to let go anything that's not serving you. Shine the light on it. Release it, surrender it if you need to. Take a moment to intentionally pick up the energy, the attitude that you want to put on for the rest of the day, for the rest of the week. You can bring your hands to heart center. Thank you so much for your time, taking a break with me. Breathe well, live well, and speak well. Have a wonderful day.